So this is the first coat, and I want to show you two different methods that I use and the difference between the two. So this is the chair, not the cushion, but the actual chair that I painted, and I wet the chair first and then applied the paint that I'm pointing to. So I sprayed it with a water bottle, and then I took the fabric chalk paint and I applied it. As you can see, the fabric really sucked it in. It's not like a true, I'm pointing to my couch so you can see the difference. It's not like a true, the paint is really sitting on top of the fabric, soaking it in. So I realized I would have to do a lot of coats with this. Now I want to show you the back when I put the paint on first, then I sprayed it, which would be this chair. And you see how much, this is one coat, you see how much better it looks than this one? That one has a coat on it as well. So I just wanted to compare the two so you can know the difference between how I did it. I put the paint on first, I sprayed the water bottle, and then I spread the paint. This one I sprayed the water bottle, then I put the paint. And that's the difference. The same amount of paint, same amount of water.
Okay guys, this is it after the second coat, so I think I'll stop here. It's still wet, and I missed some spots down here, but the pillow will cover it, so I'm not going to worry about it because I ran out of paint. I'll show you the back so you can really see. This is the back. And so you can still see the designs. It looks really good. Hey guys. Some of the last finishing touches, I just need to sand the chairs, as you can see. I think they turned out great, so I'll sand them and let you know how it turned out.
So what I did want to know here is with this sander, it did help it go a lot faster, but it was a little abrasive from the fabric. And then I did get some scuff marks. Not nothing that ruins the chair, but I would have rather, now that I did it, I would have rather taken my time and maybe use the sander on the back of the chair. And on the front of this chair and the arms, just use sandpaper because this was very quicker. Like that part, yeah. But I'm talking about like the wing parts. I would have rather used sandpaper on that because you see now that I'm using it, because I'm seeing that the sand machine is taking too much of the paint off. It was starting to scuff it up. So my only thing that I suggest is making sure that you feel the fabric as well as you go, so you can feel the layers of paint come off so it's not crunchy, but not overdoing it. And also put some wax on it, some fabric wax, so it doesn't get dirty fast because it is white. But that's pretty much it. All right, guys, stay tuned.